I want you all to just get energetic. So come on. Shake your hands. 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands. Come with me. Shake your hands. 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands. Come with me. Come on, shake. Shake. Shake, shake, shake. Come on, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake it slow, very slow. Slow, slow, very slow. Shake it slow, very slow. Slow, slow, very slow. Shake it fast, super fast. Come on, fast, fast, fast. Awesome, awesome. Give me a high five. Yay. So welcome to Blue Flamingo Kids presents Learning Welcome. I am your Komal Mam over here, and today we are going to make something yummy. Sunday breakfast time. And in breakfast, we are going to make yummy bunny toasties. Are you ready? Are you all ready, Paddy, to make something yummy along with Komal Mam? So what are we waiting for? I'm going to shift the camera towards the workstation, okay? So let's get started. Just a moment, okay? I'll just spotlight my camera and here we go. Okay. So my dear children, today we are going to make yummy bunny toasty. Yes, हमें ना bunny sandwich बनाने वाले हैं. And for that, we will require sliced carrots. See, you can just take help of your mama daddy and we will require sliced carrot. मतलब ऐसी छोटी छोटी slice चाहिए हमें. You can use sliced carrot. Okay? Then we will require sliced cucumber. We will require banana. Then we will require dry fruits. We will require peanut butter. You can also use chocolate spread, my dear children. अगर आपके पास chocolate spread है तो आप वो भी use कर सकते हो. Okay? Mayuka, today we are not going to do drawing. We are going to cook something. Okay? Then we will require jaljeera packet. We will require 1 glass of water and a slice of lemon and a salt. So are you ready with the ingredients, everyone? Are you all ready with the ingredients? Okay, so come on, let's take a slice of bread. I'm going to take, just a minute, take a serving plate and we are going to take a slice of bread. Come on, Mayuka, let's take a slice of bread. Let's take a slice of bread. Take a serving plate. Let's take a slice of bread. And on this slice of bread, we are going to spread peanut butter. So come on, let's spread peanut butter. Children, we are going to use butter knife. Use butter knife. Come on, where is the slice of bread? Anand, are you ready with the ingredients? Okay. Mayuka, right now we are going to make bunny toasty beta. So come on, take a butter knife, take a peanut butter and spread it. Come on. Spread your peanut butter, spread your peanut, spread your peanut, spread your peanut, spread your peanut. If you want to ask anything, you can just write it in the chat box, okay? Anam, if you want to ask anything, write it in the chat box. Come on, let's spread it. Spread your peanut butter, spread your peanut butter, spread your peanut, spread your peanut butter. Spread it properly. Come on. Anam, are you doing it, Picha? Are you doing it? Okay. So spread the peanut butter and now we will take Hershey's spread. And I am going to keep this Hershey's spread, the chocolate spread, 2 dots over here. So these are going to be the chicks of our bunny. Okay. This is going to be the chick of our bunny. So you can keep 2 dots like this. Come on. Yes. Hello, Varsha. Good morning. So today we are making bunny sandwich and we have just spreaded the peanut butter and we have just added chocolate on the chicks of a bunny. Very good, my dear children. You all are doing amazing job. Fantastic. Once it is done, you can show me your thumbs up. Okay? I'm going to wait for you all. We are not in a hurry. Take your time. Do it nicely. Very good, Anna. Wonderful job. You are doing amazing job. Lovely. Yay! Komal Mam is going to come to your place to enjoy this lovely, lovely bunny sandwich. Everyone? Yes. So once it is done, we will take a cucumber slice and we are going to place it like this. See, place cucumber slice like this. You can place carrot slice also. Any fruit, any veggie you can take. We are going to place it and on the top of it, I'm going to place a polo or jams or any other veggie we can keep. Come on. I'm going to keep 2 circles for the eyes. Can you all see that? Yes. So we are just going to keep 2 circles. Okay. Yes. So we have just kept 2 circles for the eyes. Done, everyone? Very good. Now we are going to take banana. So ready with banana? Peel banana, peel banana, peel, peel banana, 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 peel banana. Yes, so my dear children, we are going to peel banana nicely. Come on, let's peel it. We are going to peel the banana. My dear children, you are going to peel it, okay? Very good, come on. And remember, we are going to throw the skin in the dustbin later on, okay? हम यहाँ वहाँ नहीं फेंकेंगे. We are going to throw it in a dustbin, okay? So banana is ready? Ready? Very good. Now we are going to cut the banana from the center. Come on. With the butter knife, okay? Do not use any sharp knife. Chop banana, chop banana, chop chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop chop banana. So how many banana slices we have got? Can you all count, please? How many slices? 2 slices. And how many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? 2 ears. So let's make the cute little ears of this bunny also by placing bananas. Come on, let's make ears, everyone. We are going to make cute little ears. Yes, see how cute they look, isn't it? Yes, the ears are looking really cute. Very good, everyone. You all are doing amazing job. Keep it up. Well done, well done. Awesome job. Once it is done, we are going to place almond in center. Come on. We are going to place one almond in center and we are going to take carrot slices. So everyone, show me your mustache. आपकी mustache है? Do you have mustache? मुछी मुछी है? No, we don't have, right? But look at your daddy, look at your dadu, look at your chachu. सबके पास mustaches है, right? Similarly, our bunny is also going to have mustache. So come on, let's make mustache. हम है ना carrot से ये bunny की mustache बनाएंगे like this. Come on. Let's make mustache. You can just keep this carrot slices like this. So this will make mustache of a bunny. Come on everyone, let's make a mustache of a bunny. Yay, wonderful. Look at the cute little mustache. It's looking so cute. And we can just decorate the lower portion also. And let's decorate the background by keeping kaju, badam. We will keep it in the background, okay? Like this. Come on. Let's decorate the background. Look at the cute little bunny. It's looking so cute. Isn't it? Wow. So done, everyone. It's looking so cute. Right? Well done. I am really very happy that you all have done such a fantastic job. Lovely. It's looking so cute. Right? Come on, Anam, show me your bunny. I'll take picture. Yay! Very good. Really very cute, children. Really very cute. Come on, everyone. Say cheese. Anam, say cheese. And show me your bunny sandwich. I would love to see your bunny sandwich. Come on. Show me your bunny sandwich, Anam. स्क्रीन पे दिखाओ मैम को आपने कैसा बनाया. Very good. Wonderful, wonderful. So you all did an amazing job. I am really very happy that you all have joined and you have making it such a amazing treat for yourselves, right? So now हमने ये तो बना दिया. अब इसके साथ हम कुछ पिएंगे भी ना. We will drink something. हम इसके साथ कुछ yummy mocktail जैसा भी पिएंगे. So come on. Let's keep this aside right now and let's take a glass or let's take a serving bowl like this. Come on. हम एक bowl लेंगे ऐसा छोटू सा bowl लेंगे. And we will require a jaljeera packet. Okay? Jaljeera is your favorite, right? So let's take a jaljeera packet. Come on. Open the packet. I'm going to open it. Open the jaljeera packet nicely and pour it in a bowl. हम है ना इसे bowl में pour करेंगे उसको. बहुत सारा नहीं, okay? Just half a packet. Take a jaljeera packet, children, and pour it in a bowl. Half a packet only. Okay? We will not require the full packet. We will just require half a packet. Done? Very good. Now take a salt. I want you to take a salt. So add little amount of salt in this. ये पैकेट में जलजीरा था, हमने जलजीरा निकाला, हमने बोल में डाला, and now from the back side of a spoon we will mix it up. Come on, Mix it, mix it, mix it up. 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 So we have added jaljeera. We have added salt. Oh, you have started tasting it. I know it's early. Yum, 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 yum. Isn't it? Very good. Now what are we going to do is take a glass full of water. Take a glass full of water and take a slice of lemon also. If you have slice of lemon, you can use it. Remove the seeds. हम है ना उसके seeds remove करेंगे. It is very important that we remove the seeds. Okay? Come on. Remove the seeds of lemon slice. Lemon slice के अंदर बिल्कुल भी seeds नहीं होने चाहिए. Otherwise, in our tummy, it will pain. So we should not eat seeds. Okay? Remove the seeds from the lemon slice. Apply it on the glass like this. Come on. Glass के ऊपर ऐसे apply करेंगे हम. We are applying on the glass so that this salt get pasted. ये जो salt है ना वो paste हो जाएगा glass के ऊपर. Okay? Yes, to give a beautiful, beautiful design in our glass. Come on. Like this. Okay? Done? I'm going to wait for you all. But children, your hands are messy, so make sure you don't touch your eyes and nose, okay? Otherwise, आपका फिर burning sensation start हो जाएगा. So don't touch your eyes with your messy hands, okay? Very good. So you have mixed it up. Water लिया हमने decorate किया glass को. Now we are going to add this jaljeera and salt inside this water. Come on. And let's mix it up. Come on, stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir it properly. Round and round and round and round. Round and round and round and round. Round and round and round and round. Jaljeera shots are ready. Yay! Come on, let's stir it. Round and round and round and round. Round and round, round and round. Round and round and round and round. Jaljeera shots are ready. So our jaljeera shots are ready to serve. Isn't it? हम टेस्ट करके देखेंगे कैसा बना. Come on, let's taste it. Yummy, yummy. Isn't it yummy? Did you taste it? Yes, it's so yummy. So today we have made a bunny sandwich and we have made yummy, yummy jaljeera shots. Isn't it? Wow, both the things are really very cute. Come on, show me your work. Show me your work.